Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 18 to 24, 2024. So if you're interested in private reading, meron tayong promo ngayong November, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services. So if you are interested, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. I-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see what's coming to you. Anong energies for you, Cancer? This week, November 18 to 24. Oh, okay. Sun and Moon union. Merging. So, maaring may commitment na papasukin yung iba sa inyo. Or this can be partnership, business partnership, romantic partnership. Pagsasama kasi to eh. O, yung iba sa inyo, maaring if you are connecting with someone, maaring meron kayong pagsasamahan ng person mo na kung saan kayo magkakasundo. Pwedeng magsasama na kayo sa isang bahay o kaya yung iba naman magbi-business kayo together. May mga other plans kayo na mag-a-agree kayo sa isa't isa. Yung iba naman pwedeng ibang tao, no? Hindi romantic partner. So let's see what else for you. Okay, you have the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Wands, the Six of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so there's a lot of success for you, Cancer. With the Six of Wands, focus yung attention nila sa'yo. Maaring mapapansin mo ngayong week na to, maraming mga makaka-appreciate sa'yo. Bibigyan ka ng compliments. Sasabihin sa'yo, uy, ang ganda ng hair mo ngayon or uy, blooming ka ngayon. Or ang ganda ng damit mo. Uy, ang cute mo, ang pogi mo, ganon. So, some of you, maaring may mga admirers, okay? Lalo na if you are someone na meron kang certain following. Let's say you are a content creator o kaya artista ka, celebrity ka, or pwedeng pagdating sa workplace maraming attracted sa'yo, ganon, or nag-a-admire sa'yo. There is also a recognition. I-recognize ka sa talents mo, sa skills mo. Mapapansin niya ng maraming tao. Okay? Maari lang na meron dyan na will try to compete with you, na parang gusto makipagkompetensya sa'yo kasi nakikita nila na you are shining, na syempre parang pwede may mga insecure sa paligid, but you know, just let yourself shine, kasi kahit na may mga taong will try to, meron mga susubok na makipagkompetensya sa'yo, meron kang certain aura, meron kang certain personality, charisma, na kung saan ay hindi magagaya ng iba, kahit some will try to copy you, no? Gayahin ka. And you have the Ten of Pentacles, so stability in your finances. Some of you, kung naging challenging yung finances ninyo ng mga nakaraan, this week you will finally recover. Okay? Yung iba naman, kung medyo magiging magastos kayo ngayong week na to, medyo mag-ingat, okay? Kasi pwedeng parang one day millionaire, no? Yung tipong, let's say nakuha mo yung bonus mo, tapos na overwhelm ka, tapos parang nisip mo, saan ko to gagamitin? Ganyan. So, yung iba, maaring bugso ng damdamin, napabili ng mga bagay na hindi nyo naman talaga kailangan, or eventually pagsisisihan nyo lang. So, be careful sa pag-handle ng inyong finances. Okay? Kasi ang bilis lang naman gumastos ng pera, diba? Mabilis lang. Ang medyo mahirap yung mag-ipon, lalo na kung marami kang responsibilities. Okay? But I see you na becoming more creative ngayong week na to, lalo na kung nasa creative jobs ka, mas marami kang mga ideas na maiisip for your business, for your career, for your job. Okay? Let's see what else. Yung iba, you will be spending time with your family para may celebration dito. Baka yung iba sa inyo na-promote kayo sa work, tapos magse-celebrate kayo within the family. Ganyan. Okay. So, may travel o may ship. Yung iba sa inyo, may cruise ship. Pwedeng kayo ay magbo-book for a cruise ship. Um, some of you naman merong uuwi from abroad, or maaaring ikaw yung uuwi or kamag-anak mo, mahal mo sa buhay, uuwi, and then, alam mo yung festivities, yung energy ninyo na uh, kung saan-saan kayo pupunta to celebrate. Also have mountains, so ito ay obstacles na overcome mo, no? Maaring may naging challenge ka, especially financially or problem sa trabaho mo, sa business or sa career. So ngayon, ito ay unti-unti mo nang na-overcome. At least nagagawan mo siya ng paraan na bibigyan mo ng solusyon. You also have the tree. The tree, it symbolizes growth. Okay? So some of you, kung meron kayong goal ngayong week na to na gusto nyong ma-achieve, continue nyo lang, ipagpatuloy nyo lang yung efforts na ginagawa nyo, because eventually, you will see the results ng mga pinaghirapan ninyo. Okay? This is also good health. So, maayos na kalusugan para sa inyo. You also have the ring. So, this is commitment. So, maaring you will commit yourself to a new project, a new business, or bagong let's say, kukomit mo yung sarili mo sa isang goal na, let's say, gusto mong pumayat, gusto mong tumaba, or kung ano man yung goal mo for yourself, like example, money goals, i-commit mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Some of you naman, if you are romantically connected to someone, pwedeng magkaroon dito ng yung doon, proposal o engagement. Baka yung iba sa inyo ma-engage. Okay. So, let's see what else. Someone going out of your life or ending of a situation. Ooh. Cancer. Maaring meron kayong i-end na situation, relationship, connection. Can be romantic, friendship, or work. Or maaring aalis ka na sa lugar na yan para mag-explore ng iba. O meron na namang tree. The tree is, sabi rito, affairs with your family. Maaring meron talagang pagsasalo-salo. Pagsasama-sama with the family. Yung iba sa inyo parang it's either titira na kayo malapit sa family nyo, or you are going to move away to a different place para magkaroon ng independence. So some of you are going to deal with a woman, blonde, gray hair, or white hair. So, pwedeng foreigner ang energy ng person na to, or someone na blonde lang talaga yung hair niya. Okay? So, there you go. That is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Good luck.